how to activate cloud storage for your Swann Security 4580. Now this will allow the recording to store on the cloud instead of the hard drive on the device here. If you log into your system and you go to device, then click on cloud storage here, you can see it will say that you need to activate using the mobile app. Now on the mobile app, if you click on Home Save to open it, here we click on your device name, and then click on Activate Cloud, and shortly after you need to sign in with your Google account or Apple or email address. Okay, after you have signed in, you should see your cloud storage. Swann uses DropBox as a cloud storage, so just make sure you go in here and activate it. After, you should be able to browse your folder. Now once there are new recording or video capture or photos capture, it will be uploaded to your cloud storage. You have up to 2 GB of free storage, and you can upload in Substream or Mindstream. So that is just basically your video quality in HD or high HD. And that's it. Thank you for watching.